Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Duskwire Rod in fish. So just follow where I'm going here. You do have to kind of go through everything so that you don't have to go through the obby, basically. Just find like a whirlpool and go there. I've already explained it in my previous video on the Nico Yarner rod. I don't remember what it's called already. But basically, you're going to want to first find the Chaotic Relic. Just trade with somebody, or you can try to fish it. And you're going to place it in the Crystal Cove to unlock the door, basically. I well, my friend gave it to me, so I have it. So just put it there. To get the Duskwire Rod, you'll need a catfish. You can find a lot of them in Mush Grove Swamp. Sorry. And then you're just going to give it to the guy. Here, I'm just going to go down. And you'll see that there's this person. You're just going to talk to them. Can you get me catfish? Sure. And just give the person the catfish. And he'll sell it to you, sorry. It costs about 500,000 coins, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is how you can get the Duskwire Rod. It's not the best rod, but you can just get it while you're down there anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. It also has a sound when you play it. It was just me trying to look for it because I'm slow, but there it is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!